So we will be covering the another WCAG guideline, which is target size minimum, label A, and the number is 2.5.8. So the WCAG guideline says make control easier to activate, ensure target minimum meet a minimum size of have sufficient spacing around them. So we have seen those kind of small elements in our mobile phones as well. Sometimes we have multiple small elements over your controls buttons or links over here. You can see in this example as well. Okay, so here accidentally users can be activating the different control which is not need to be activated. If the spacing between two controls will be not as per expected, or the pixel size of the controls should be not 24 by 24 CSS pixels, then we have to raise the issue for this. So how it will be helping us to ensure, like how it is helping us to target this target size WCAG guideline. Interactive targets to get activate at least 24 by 24 pixels in a size or have a sufficient space between them to prevent the accidental activation. So sometimes we used to activate this first home button, but accidentally we used to activate this phone button due to this small size, or there is no gap between two elements. So this is why we have introduced this guideline, so which makes sure whatever control we want to activate, we used to activate that control only. The size of that particular element or link or button should be 24 by 24 pixels, or the space between both controls should be a specific sufficient space between them. So to help the ensure targets can be easily activated without accidentally activating another target or which is just about next to him, that target. So provide sufficient size or sufficient spacing between the targets. Basically, who will the beneficiary for this? Motor impaired or mobile users. We have seen those small controls in the mobile user, like cancel button, close button if we have any pop-up and all. So mostly we are getting those kind of controls in mobile. So we have to make sure if we have the multiple controls or multiple elements with each other, like 4 to 5 elements, so there should be a sufficient space between them, so that if we want to activate a particular control accidentally, we should not be activating the different one. So it will, otherwise it will be a issue for us. So this is the guideline which makes sure to activate each and every control much more easier.